Let's talk about other things. What about combining this preparation? How to structure it? How would you suggest to structure it when you also have other duties, when you when you have a heavy workload, or when you have a family as well? Maybe let's start with the family. Ishita recently became a mother. Maybe you can share a few tips how to combine, how you would actually suggest as to this element.
Yeah, sure. I think obviously as a working parent, it's really, crucial that you balance things. And one, to be honest, can never balance things. So you have to see how you can juggle your priorities. So obviously, with your child, you have to look after them and they are your priority at a certain age. But my experience has been that you have to really appreciate time. You if you get a certain time window, you have to appreciate and get your work done in that window. You can't kind of procrastinate or delay things because there is another aspect of your life waiting to be prioritized at that point. So it's never a balance for me. I think it's always juggling one over the other. And and I think that's why this book that I've written, it's called The Inner Circuit, and it really helps you to kind of compartmentalize and prioritize. And instead of getting emotional and getting caught up in the moment, you just kind of zoom out of the situation and see what needs your attention. So I prioritize in according to that. And the second thing is, I can't stress enough about the support system around you. So I've got a lot of family support, so which kind of helps me do these other things. And especially when we are staying alone and we are studying as well as working, and if we have people around us like friends or family, then we should appreciate the help that they can give, and we should take that help as well. Because this exam especially, it will require a lot of your focus, your time, and you need to also look after your health, your mental health in that, right, as well as juggling other things. So yeah, I think just compartmentalize in terms of your time, give importance to the time that you have. Also take out some me time for yourself where you can relax, sleep, do nothing as well. I think that's very important from a psychological perspective.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. We forget about ourselves as well in all this process.
For sure, for sure.
And if you exhaust yourself until this final date when you go and you actually sit either SQE1 or SQE2, you actually just you diminish your chances, literally.
Yeah, yeah. And that's why I said it's not a sprint. Like you can't just say, okay, I'm gonna run and that's it. But it's a marathon. You have to live it every day, till you reach the finish line.